how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money with this method. So here, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps and wait for it to load. Then go to the search and type the United States. That's the country we are going to target in today's method. And here, wait for it to load. Then zoom in on the states. So here, let's zoom in on the states and choose a city or a state to work on. So here, let's choose, for example, Florida here. Let's go to Florida and let's choose a city, or let's go to Louisiana and let's choose a city or a town in here. Let's choose Alexandria, and let's choose Alexandria and let's zoom in. This is a very big city. Let's go to the search then and let's type some kind of a small business like gyms, plumbers, hair salons, and auto repair shops. But before that, I'm going to talk about the services we are going to offer these small businesses. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to offer to create a website for them if they don't have one. And the second service is removing the bad reviews from their profile in Google Maps. And the third service would be managing their social media accounts. So here, let's type auto repair to see all of the available auto repair shops in the area. And let's wait for it to load. So here, we have a lot of shops in the area. And here, you can see all of the profiles. So let's start with this one, Freeman Auto Service EDC, 4.8 stars, 64 reviews. So let's check this profile, and here by scrolling down you can see that they don't have a website, it's only their Facebook in their profile. So that's the first service you are going to offer them, which is the website creation. Let's wait for it to load, and here let's scroll down. So this is their website, their Facebook. So we are going to offer them to create a website for them, and also we are going to offer to manage their social media accounts for them. We are going to offer to manage their Facebook and create an Instagram page for them to post their work. So here, let's go back. Those are the two services we are going to offer them for now. Let's scroll down to see if we can find some bad reviews in their profile. So we can offer them the second service, which is removing the bad reviews from their profile. So here, let's wait for it to load, and it seems like they have some 1-star reviews. So that's what we are going to look for. Let's scroll down, and here it is from G Brox from 2 months ago. I'm writing the review I wish I had read before I trusted this business. Here is what you need to know. Do not give Kivis or Tara money, trust or the keys to your vehicle. They have only 2 mechanics and they do not work quickly. They change the price after they do the work. Kivis quoted me 1600 for labor, installing a new transmission. On the last day when my car was finished, Kivis changed the price to over 2300. Kivitz doesn't understand transmissions. When they did answer the phone, he would whine about now how hard the job was and how he never seen a transmission like mine. It was a 2021 Buick. Laughing out loud, Kivitz will not have your car ready when he says he will. He told me it would be done in 2 weeks. It took him a month and a half. After he changes the price, Kivitz will refuse to give you your car until you pay. He doesn't care how much money he mistakes and delays cost you. His mistakes and delays cost you. He literally bills you for his fails. Kivitz really doesn't understand transmissions, but he'll take your money anyway. He took my car to a dealership when he couldn't fix it. He didn't ask me or tell me. He then left it there over the weekend broken. I had to call and yell for them to go get it. So this is a very bad review to have on your profile. This man listed all of the wrong things that he did to his car, and also the wrong things that they've done to him. And from my reading, there are a lot of bad things, and here you can see that his review got 4 likes, which means 4 lost clients for the business owners. So this bad review is enough for us to convince the business owners to pay for our service, which is removing bad reviews. And this is a very bad review and a very bad reputation for the business to have in this market. So if we can find another 1-star review like that, then it's guaranteed that this business owner would pay us to remove those bad reviews from their profile, especially with that much of bad talks or bad comments in the review. And as you can see in here, they always respond to the reviews, but that one bad review didn't even defend themselves or respond to the review, which means it might be true, because people always defend themselves when it's a bad review. So here I couldn't find any other bad review, so we can just offer them the removing the bad reviews, for them the bad reviews removing, and the other services I talked about before, which is the website creation and the social media managing. And as I said in the beginning, guys, you won't need to learn any skill or to deliver any service yourself. You will just go to Fiverr.com, which is a platform where you can hire freelancers to deliver these services instead of you. So let's wait for Fiverr.com to load, and here you will be able to hire a lot of freelancers to deliver all of the services instead of you. Just make sure to always get paid more than you will pay those freelancers. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.